Recently, you might have seen this type of AI photo going viral on social media, and you may be wondering how to create it. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this kind of AI photo editing. So let's get started. First, open up your browser. I'm showing this on my PC, but don't worry, you can also do it on your phone. Now go to the website, aistudio.google.com. Here, you'll notice a brand new option called Nano Banana. If you don't see it right away, just click on Generate Media and you'll find it there. Once you click on it, the full interface will open up for you. Next, click on the plus icon and upload your image. Now copy the prompt and paste it into this box. After that, just click on the Run button. Within a few minutes, your image will be ready to download. As you can see, my image is already done. If you don't get a good result the first time, simply run the prompt again until you're happy with it. If you're still not satisfied with the results, try Gemini. Select Nano Banana from here and upload your image. Paste the prompt and submit. Hopefully this will give you the best result. Once it's ready, you can simply download it from here. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching.